I am the ocean. I am water. I am most of this planet. I shaped it. Every stream, every cloud, and every raindrop. It all comes back to me. One way or another, every living thing here needs me. I am the source. I'm what they grow down to. Humans, they're no different. I don't owe them a thing. I give, attack, but I can always take back. That's just the way it's always been. It's not the planet anyway. Never was, never will be. But humans, they attack more than they share. They poison me, then they expect me to feed them. Well, it doesn't work that way. If human wants to exist in this nature with me and offer me, I suggest they listen close. I'm going to say this once. If nature isn't kept healthy, humans won't survive. Simple as that. Me, I could give a damn with or without humans. I am the ocean. I covered this entire planet once, and I can always cover it again. And that's all I have to say. Remember, that's all I have to say.